been an enjoyable 10 years playing at Waterford. The league has always been good to us. We're after 2 successive campaigns. We won one in 2015 and obviously last year. 2 medals we'll cherish, and we're looking forward to going at it again now and hopefully retain the title if we can. 2017 as a whole was a very successful and enjoyable year for us. Obviously the All-Ireland semi-final was a big moment for us as well.
He's got Shanahan with them. Barron goes alone and he gets a crucial goal.
Getting to the All-Ireland, obviously it's disappointing not to go on and win it, but that day I remember the noise in Croke Park was deafening.
Barron and Thursby scoring a Simon and Port Lorgan catching the fear glitch there fast. August Hall got the hand guy there.
It's definitely a place we want to get back to sooner rather than later.
And there is the whistle for the end here. Waterford go out of the championship. Clare cruising.
I think we peaked probably a bit too early last year. I suppose looking back, it did feel like we did max out a bit too early in the year, and hopefully going forward it'll be a bit more in place that we do peak in the championship, I suppose. That's our main aim this year. We've a new management team in place. I think we've a lot to prove this year, considering how things ended up for us last year, so we'll be giving it our all. Dave being back has been great so far. He's bringing in a wealth of experience and knowledge. He has lots of ideas and tactics, game plans and so on, so we're trying to learn from him as much as we can, trying to take in the information, and hopefully we can take it in time to be able to dish it out come early summer. I think his view on hurling has probably changed over the years. The way he likes to be played is different. He's calm and collective most of the time. We're just looking forward to getting stuck into it with a good start last weekend, and hopefully we can build on it now going forward. It's been known a while that the stadium hasn't been probably up to the standards of other ones around the country, I suppose, so an investment was needed. We've been allocated hurlers for our home games now, and I suppose down through the years we've played up there more often than not. It's a pitch that we're all really used to. We'll be looking forward to getting a good support up for the championship games, and our supporters are always very good to follow, so we'll be looking forward to that down the line.
Jamie Barron, the Turkey scored in Jenny, look at that.
I think the days of sitting back in the league and taking it easy maybe for a round or two and trying to get fit throughout the league are gone. I think teams are going gung-ho. It's a great competition, and we'll be delighted if we were coming out the other end of it after retaining our title.